Hi guys, welcome back to my Artistry. Summer is around the corner and these are beautiful roses blooming outside my home. Let's make something new today inspired by this beautiful nature. I want to make some coasters and preserve the flowers in them so that I could enjoy seeing these lovely flowers throughout the year and not just in summer. So let's begin the fun. I will be using this silicone mold which is roughly 8 inches in diameter, and I will be adding these red glitters in clear epoxy resin. Here I am mixing 4 ounces of art resin, 2 ounces of resin and 2 ounces of hardener. I have taken out some resin in a separate cup and adding these glitters in it. This box has different shapes of holographic glitters: stars, half moon, circle, hearts, hexagonal, and some fine glitters. I need to add some more, giving it a quick mix. First, I am pouring a layer of resin with glitters close to the borders of the mold. After the glitter resin, I am filling the remaining of the mold with the clear resin. Spreading it evenly. I have added only half of the resin and the remaining half I will be adding after placing the flowers. Using a blowtorch to pop up the air bubbles. Now adding some leaves slowly one by one. This is red baby breath flower. It is also known as gypsophilia. These are all pressed dried flowers and leaves. I bought them online and sprayed varnish over them a couple of times so that they do not leak any color. This is a beautiful red daisy. This one is some kind of wildflower. It looks like phlox with 3 petals. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comment section. Another daisy here. This is definitely phlox. This is white queen's anise lace. I have only a few, so I am placing one in each coaster. Time to add the remaining resin. Torching it again to eliminate the air bubbles. I have kept it on a low flame and torching it carefully so that I do not burn the flowers or the glitters. As you can see, there are some glitters that are dispersed due to constant movements from the fire, so I am adjusting them with a toothpick. This is a little box of leaf-shaped glitters. I am picking them one by one with a toothpick and placing them in a desired area. Finally, I have some clear acrylic diamonds that I will be adding in some clear areas of this mold. They doesn't sparkle as they will be submerged, but they will add some clear dimension, giving crystal water droplet appearance. In the end, I am making sure everything is well dipped in the resin and there are no air bubbles. I have left this aside for a couple of days, and after 3 days the art resin is fully cured and rock hard. I am taking out these coasters from the mold. See how fantastic they look. The resin is so clear with no air bubbles. The borders are so smooth and they came out very well. You can see how these flowers are well preserved in the resin. This is the other coaster. Out of all the flowers, my favorite one is the daisy. These red holographic glitters look aesthetically amazing and add different dimension and sparkle to the coaster. In the background, you can hear the birds chirping. I love to listen to them. That's the beauty of America. When you preserve nature, you enjoy it the most. I hope you guys loved watching this tutorial and learn how to make these beautiful red garden coasters. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel for more calming art videos. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification for the updates. Now it's time to enjoy my coffee. Bye!